Have you ever felt like your makeup just isn't quite right, no matter what you do? Maybe your foundation looks great, your eye makeup is on point, but something still feels off. The secret might be hiding in plain sight, your chin. Highlighting your chin is one of those subtle, game-changing tricks that can bring your entire look into beautiful harmony. It's all about creating balance and enhancing your natural facial structure. Let's start with the basics. Why highlight the chin at all? Think of your face as a canvas. When we apply foundation, we create a flat, even base. Contouring and highlighting are the techniques we use to bring back dimension, to sculpt and shape. We often focus on cheekbones, the nose, and the forehead, but the chin is a crucial anchor point for the lower third of your face. Highlighting it draws a touch of light to the area, which can visually balance your features. Especially if you have a prominent forehead or wider cheeks. It's not about changing your face shape, but about working with what you have to create a sense of symmetry and proportion. It's the final brushstroke that makes the masterpiece complete. So, how do you do it? The key is subtlety. We're not aiming for a disco ball effect here. You'll want to choose a highlighter that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. It can be a cream, liquid, or powder, depending on your skin type and preference. If you have dry skin, a cream or liquid highlighter will give you a dewy, hydrated glow. If you have oily skin, a powder highlighter will work beautifully to add radiance without extra shine. The finish matters too. For a natural, everyday look, opt for a highlighter with a soft, pearlescent sheen rather than chunky glitter. We want to mimic the way light naturally hits the face. Now, for the application, the placement is everything. The goal is to highlight the most forward-projecting part of your chin. To find this spot, stand in front of a mirror and turn your head slightly to the side. Look at the curve of your chin. You want to apply the highlighter right on the center point, the little button of your chin. Using a small, fluffy brush or even just your fingertip, take a tiny amount of product. Remember, less is more. You can always build it up if needed. Gently tap or sweep the highlighter onto that central spot. Then blend, blend, blend. The edges should be seamless, melting into your foundation so there are no obvious lines. It should look like a natural glimmer of light. Let's talk about how this simple step works for different face shapes. If you have a round face, highlighting the chin can help to add a bit of length and definition to your lower jaw. It draws the eye downward, creating the illusion of a more oval shape. For those with a square face, a touch of light on the chin can soften the strong jawline, bringing a gentle roundness to the center. If you have a heart-shaped face where the chin is already quite pointed, you'll want to be very light-handed. A tiny dot of highlighter is all you need to add a soft glow without overemphasizing the point. And for oval faces which are naturally balanced, highlighting the chin simply enhances that beautiful symmetry, tying the whole look together. It's also important to consider what you do around the chin. If you're also contouring, the highlight on your chin should be complemented by a subtle shadow underneath your jawline. This combination creates a beautiful, sculpted effect. Imagine the light hitting the top of your chin and a natural shadow falling just below it. This interplay of light and dark is what creates that three-dimensional look. But even on its own, without any contouring, a chin highlight works wonders. On no makeup days, a little concealer, some brow gel, mascara, and a tiny pop of highlighter on the chin and other high points can make you look instantly awake and polished. So, the next time you're doing your makeup, don't forget this final, crucial step. It takes just a few seconds but makes a world of difference. It's the secret to taking your makeup from good to great, ensuring everything looks balanced, cohesive, and intentional. It's about celebrating your unique features and using light to make them shine. Give it a try and see how this small touch can totally transform your look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.